mind, body, and soul, a pathway we all walk.
Sometimes you, sometimes well. Sometimes we stumble and fall. But within us, a strength, resilience we find. To nurture our well-being, leave no one behind.
We are daughters,
Sisters,
friends,
standing hand in hand, raising our voices together across every land.
for the girl who feels lost, for the girl who feels fear.
We offer a message of hope, a promise to hear.
A garden to tend, with thoughts we carefully sow, weeding out negativity and letting kindness grow. But a temple to cherish with goodness and grace, filling it with goodness, finding strength in this place. So, a flame that burns bright, a spirit that soars, connecting with something bigger, opening with yours. Through faith, through creativity, through music and art, we express our true selves, healing everyone.
This is our pathway to mental health, a journey we embrace, supporting each other, finding strength and grace.
No more stigma, no more silence, we break down the walls.
Together we rise, together we stand tall. Mind, body, and soul, in harmony they blend, a pathway to wholeness, a journey without end. On this International Day of Girls, let our voices ignite a beacon of hope, shining ever so bright.